My name is Timmons. I'm a product manager here at Oldcastle Infrastructure, and my primary focus is on water utility and irrigation markets with an emphasis on municipal specifications and long-term partnerships with cities, counties, and public agencies. Well, our key differentiators are breadth of product, consistency in performance, and our manufacturing capability. We have solutions across various material types from composites, polymer concrete, and just concrete. So we can match the right enclosure to the right application instead of forcing like a one-size-fits-all material into an application. Our load ratings are tested, our drawings are clear, and we have national scale to support long-term availability. We spend a lot of time upfront listening. That's the most important part of the process. Our field teams, our contractors, our installers, they are great at telling you what works and what maybe doesn't work or is an opportunity for improvement. Engineers like specification engineers and municipal engineers can often give you the long-term focus of the design and what they're looking for. And when you marry those two perspectives together, you get a solution that's both practical and durable. That can happen through various ways. It can be on-site visits, it can be virtual design reviews, we can do plant tours, we can even just send a follow-up email after installation and say, hey, is everything going okay? Is everything performing as expected? They're very honest about the real-world performance, anything from the weight of the product to the stability of the product once it's installed, or even how an ancillary product like an AMR antenna would fit into our covers. How does a material hold up to UV exposure or environmental temperature changes? All that's super important for us to receive back from the people who are actually using our product. We can take that feedback and then we can either refine drawings, we can adjust hardware options, we can test new materials, and then that also leads into helping us prioritize our future development projects. Quite often, municipal feedback becomes the foundation of our product improvement cycle.